In this video, I'll show you how to re-secure the pins on these fake Rolex watches. I put a paper clip in here to show where the pin goes in, so it just drives right through here, and there's a special little fastener to make sure that it doesn't fall out. On the real watch, these, you would take a small screwdriver and you could just back them out. Here's a close-up of what that pin looks like. It's almost like a cotter pin. It goes through, around, and this needs to be spread apart to give friction, so when you put it back in, it won't come out. Take a thin blade, you can just press it right through here and kind of spread it apart a little bit. You can see now that the pin is completely spread apart and it's going to have a little bit more tension going in. Now we can pull out the paper clip and put this pin back in. You can see that it slides in real easy until it gets to this one end, and that's where it starts to pressure in. The pin on one side, we can take this hinge and put it in like this, and then push the pin through. Push it in until it starts to get to the spring. With a knife, you can get in there and spread it so there's a little bit more spring tension before you push it all the way in. If you really don't want the pin coming out, you can put a little epoxy on there. Mix it up really good. Put a dab right on the center of the spring. Firmly press that spring pin in. You can use a pair of pliers to fully set that pin. Just give it a nice squeeze. Now that pin will not pop out on you again.